Hi, welcome back to Felix Our World. Today I will be doing a flip cup. Last minute, I decided to make it a floating flip cup, but it didn't work out. This canvas is way too small for that. All done. This is the wet finish. I'm just gonna let it dry for a week or so before I start painting on it. I will be painting a turtle. Off camera, I transferred the image. What I did, I used carbon paper or tracing paper, also known as tracing paper. I transferred the image onto here, and now I'm adding contrast. On all these sections, I added it already here. I might make that line thicker, and I'm gonna add it here as well, and I'll be filling in these sections right here. This flower right here, I will add definition to it by adding contrast. Okay, I have a lot of work ahead of me. Let's do this fast. all finished. So it's looking good. I like it. Oh my God, I'm gonna varnish it, and that's gonna make the colors look more brilliant, more alive. I really like it. This is a really, really good idea. Hopefully you got some good ideas here of what to do with your dry, dirty pores. You can do cute stuff like this and give it out as gift to your friends and family. Well, thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing and sharing. See you guys in the next project. Bye.